lot of my friends were telling about a mileage test. So today I got the opportunity to do a mileage test for my car. Welcome to Super Cyber. So I will tank the car to the full, and I am going for a trip of around 250 kilometers. So in this trip there will be different type of road conditions, 4-lane highways, 2-lane highways, some village roads. So we can easily calculate how the car performs in all these road conditions. So let's tank up, and I have come to my favorite pump, IOC, and I regularly fill petrol from this pump. So they have already set it to 0, and let's check how much fuel it consumes at this moment. ভাই ভরো, ওটা ওখানেই রাখো, মিটারটা চলবে তো, এইটা চলবে তো, এটা এসে হ্যাঁ পেট্রোল, হ্যাঁ যতটা ধরবে অটো কাট অবধি। হ্যাঁ এই 0 করো। হ্যাঁ, they are setting it to 0. Okay, 0. The rate is 101.35. ওখানেই রাখো। Let's see how much fuel it consumes. Okay, so it's taken 7.23 liters and the tank is full. It has auto cut already. Now we'll check the mileage test. Now I will set the trip meter to 0. At present the average it is showing 11.8. So let me set it to 0 first. I have set it to 0, and let me come to the other one. Okay, this one also I have set it to 0. So let's start our journey and check the mileage as we go. Now I have shifted to economy mode, and you can see the mileage figures have increased considerably. When I started it was around 11.8. Now it has touched 15.5, and I am not using any cruise control in this drive because lot of my friends, they do not have any cruise control. So I will use the car without cruise control. It has started to rain already, and you can see the wiper performance. Some of our friends were willing to see the wiper performance, and as you can see it's wiping absolutely clear, and I am driving in highway, and speed is around 70 kmph. Speed is around 70 kmph, and at this moment the mileage is 17.7. So it's already increased while we left from Calcutta. Friends, those who don't have a rear wiper, as you can see the visibility has worsened at the back glass. So I feel rear wiper is really important in Tata Altroz. The visibility is really poor at the rear gate. Now in economy mode, the average is 19.3, and it's gradually increasing. So you can expect between 19 to 20 if your speed is within 80 kmph, 80 to 90 kmph. So that's possible. And finally, once we reach the destination, we'll fill the pump and again check what is the actual real mileage in tank method. Now I am driving in economy mode, and I have kept the speed around 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, and the average you can see is 19.9 to 19.5, and that is the best average till now I have received. And I haven't yet taken the tank method yet, and soon and the entire journey, most of the time I am traveling in economy mode, and I am not using any cruise control. I am approaching a toll gate. I will again update how it's performing. So finally we have reached Mukutmanipur, and there we will tank up full tank and we will see how much fuel the car has consumed. So it is the tank to tank method. So let him fill the tank to the full. ওই অটো কাট অফ দি করবে, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। So he is filling up. Here the rate is little different from Kolkata. In Kolkata it is 101.35. Here it is 98. So few paisa more from Kolkata. দেরি লাগে হয়ে গেছে 19.24 দেখার লাগে So it is 19.24. The fuel consumed is 19.24, and here now the average is showing 18.3, and the total kilometers covered is 329.5 in 19.24 liters. So we'll calculate the method how much it has consumed. So the car has covered 329.5 kilometers on 19.24 liters of fuel. So it is coming to around 17.5. So it's okay considering the size of the car, and in this particular journey I have covered state highways, 4-lane highways, village roads, and some roads through the hillocks where I had to keep on only on second and third, and in most of the journey, 99% of the journey, I have kept the air conditioner on. So I have got a mileage of 17.5. So hope the mileage increases once the car completes the second service, and we'll update again. So this is about the mileage test what I received from Ultros, that is 17.5 kilometers on 19.24 liters of fuel and covering 329.5 kilometers.